Every great part begins with an idea. At Viking Plastics, we partner with our customers from the start, offering design assistance to optimize parts for performance, manufacturability, quality, and long-term success. With expertise in a wide range of engineering-grade materials, we help select the right resin to meet each application's unique performance, durability, and environmental requirements. The selected resin is heated until molten and injected under high pressure into a precision-engineered mold, creating the exact shape defined in the original CAD model. After cooling for just seconds, the mold opens and the finished part is automatically ejected. The part continues through an automated process where mistake-proofing technology verifies critical features, helping ensure every part meets our quality standard. Approved parts are packaged and prepared for shipment. Finished products are transported through our warehouse and staged for on-time delivery to customers around the world. From engineering support and material selection to manufacturing and delivery, Viking Plastics is committed to providing innovative solutions backed by precision, quality, and reliability.